Hi guys and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at some unusual tropical fruits and how to enjoy them. Stay tuned!
Here we have tamarind. It is a legume, same family as beans and peas. It's like a bean pod, and when you peel the shell off, it shows the inside as having a sweet and sour sticky flesh. It also has tough seeds inside of that. It is eaten by hand or used in juices, sauces, or it may be rolled with sugar to make tamarind balls. It's really good for you. And this right here is a mango. There are so many species of mangoes. The skin is peeled off and the flesh eaten. It is used in salads, smoothies, juices, and salsa, just to name a few. Full of vitamins and minerals, and very sweet. Next, we have the coconut. Is it a fruit or is it a nut? It's actually a fruit, but neither answer would be wrong. Bear in mind that fruits are really pollinated, developed flower ovaries, and nuts are fruits with a tough shell and edible flesh on the inside. So either answer is not wrong. Coconuts have 3 eye spots, but only one can be opened to get the water out. The flesh is used to make oil, cakes, cookies, ice cream, and so many tropical dishes. I just can't say enough about coconuts. Next, we have star fruit or carambola. It is native to Indonesia. When you cut one across, it is shaped like a star. Hence, that's where the name most likely came from. Most have a mild sweet taste, but I've come across a few that were a bit tangy. They are eaten by hand or used in salads or drinks. And here we have the plantain. Same family as the banana, but much bigger. These have to be cooked. Most people slice them and then fry them in oil as a sweet, sticky side dish. The green ones are often fried and eaten as chips. Next we have dragon fruit or pitaya. It is from a cactus plant. Very unusual looking when you see it on the plant. Some are red and some are yellow. I find the flesh inside to be very mild. The yellow one seems to be a little bit more tangy, has a little bit more of a kick to it. It's used in smoothies, salads, or sometimes just eaten by hand. And it's really good for you. And you can see that it has a little black seeds on the inside. Next we have Chinese guinep or lychee. This has a really nice fruity flavor and it's also very sweet. The seed inside is a little bit large and it's black in color. It is eaten by hand, but bear in mind that it can be a choking hazard because it's smooth and it's similar to what we have right here, which is the Jamaican guinep. So you really want to be careful when giving that to small children, if at all. You can see how they compare. Remember, if you like this video, to share and subscribe if you haven't already, and you're welcome to leave your comments as well. Next we have the guava. It is full of vitamins and minerals and used to make juices, jams, jellies, or just eaten by hand. They have small off-white seeds in them. Very interesting fruit. And here we have the refreshing papaya. I just love these. The skin is removed as well as the seeds, and the flesh is eaten by hand. Remember that fruits are packed with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, and they fight diseases. So, some of them too are actually acquired tastes, but try them. You never know, you might actually like it, and it will be really good for you. And thanks so much for watching.